I'm a big gift giver, and I feel like you guys know that, and I have been plotting the perfect Christmas gift for my sister. First thing we needed for this was the HP Sprocket, because we're gonna need some photos printed out ASAP. Then I got down to the full planning. Oh, my sister has a little boy that's the same age as Hudson, and every year since they've been born for Christmas, we've gotten them Santa pictures together. But this year, my sister ended up having another baby, which we were so excited about, but it happened to fall on the same day as Santa pictures. And then when I realized it was on the same day, I just didn't say anything about it. I no longer talked about it, and I was like, oh, okay, this is where it's gonna get fun. Of course, when my sister was having her baby, my mom was watching her little boy. So I called my mom up and I was like, hey, I really wanna do Santa pictures with the boys again, but I kind of wanna surprise my sister and do them behind her back and then make a photo album and give them to her for Christmas. I was like, great, that's perfect. So I got online. I did online shopping because we always put them in matching outfits. I got the online outfits. I literally met my mom at Santa Pictures. We just got them back. So now we need to print them off. This has been such a fun tradition for us to do and watch our boys grow together, and we want to do it as long as we can. And she has no idea. She actually texted me the other day and was like, hey, remind me, what are Santa pictures again? I really want to get them done. And I had to be like, oh yeah, we missed those. I'm so sorry. She was bummed. So she's gonna be so excited, and the pictures turned out so cute. I can't wait to show you guys and show her. The HP Sprocket's coming in clutch. This would also be a really good Christmas gift as well. Mom, grandma, family member, a friend that loves photos. This is the best. So we're gonna set this up really quick. I go to the app store and download their app really quick. I think I know how to type my own name, but Bluetooth, okay. Photo gallery, allow access. I got the Sprocket 3x4. That's what we'll select. Now we have to charge it. It comes with a charger, so let me plug this in really quick. To the charger. This is literally the coolest thing. I love Christmas. We have to load the paper. Look at this! Just like this. The paper's in. All right, now get connected. Add. We're connected. I'm so excited to share these Christmas pictures. Look how cute these are. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll print this one out first. This one's obviously of Hudson. The best part with this, you can also print it from like your Instagram, like literally anything. Oh my gosh, she's going to love this. Are you kidding me? From the screen to real life. Now we're gonna put the ones that we're gonna give to my sister for Christmas. These will be the ones of them together, and then also just of her little boy. My vision is coming to life. All the photos are printed, so step one of the plan is done. And the HP Sprocket made that so easy. I was so excited about this Christmas gift idea. If anyone in your family also even just likes photos or photo ideas, I think the HP Sprocket would be a good gift, or even something for you to be able to print out and make them a book as well. Stay tuned for part 2 because it's coming soon.